All right, so let's just get right into it. If you spend any time on TikTok, Reels, or Shorts, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You've been hit by this wave of just chaotic, super confusing, but somehow weirdly addictive videos. People are calling it brain rot because it's so overstimulating. But here's the thing. What if I told you none of it is random? Not at all.
I mean, does this look familiar? Something like this flashes across your screen, and it's just this mashup of Italian slang, internet buzzwords, random numbers, all delivered with this bizarre, super intense energy. It honestly feels like a fever dream, right? But believe it or not, this exact kind of phrase is just completely taking over huge parts of the internet as we speak.
So that's the big question we're really digging into. What if this isn't just nonsense? What if it's a perfectly engineered formula for going viral? We're about to peel back all the layers of these crazy videos and show you that behind all that chaos, there is a cold, calculated, and frankly genius method designed to do one thing: grab your attention and absolutely refuse to let go.
Okay, so let's start breaking this thing down. We're going to look at the anatomy of brain rot and really uncover the hidden method that makes these videos tick.
And here's the most important thing to get. None of this is an accident. It's not random. Creators are literally following a specific 5-step blueprint. Every single second is designed to manipulate the algorithm by getting you to watch and then rewatch, a lot of times without you even noticing you're doing it.
And here it is. This is the viral formula, the secret sauce. You've got the hook, confusion, chaos escalation, a relatable twist, and the loop ending. These are the 5 stages, and we're going to break down every single one to see how they all work together to create this perfect storm of virality.
Okay, first up, the hook. You have, and I mean this literally, 1 to 2 seconds to stop someone from scrolling. That's it. So the hook has to create this insane, immediate curiosity or just pure shock. Think of it like a digital version of grabbing someone and saying, "Hey, look at this."
All right, next up is confusion. So they've got your attention. Now what? They immediately make you wonder what in the world is going on. It creates this knowledge gap. You're sitting there thinking, what am I even watching right now? And that feeling? That's not a mistake. It's totally on purpose. It creates this need inside you to stick around and see the ending. It keeps you glued.
And that brings us to the main course: chaos escalation. This is really the heart of the video. It's just this rapid-fire assault on your senses. You got random zooms, glitchy sounds, meme effects, crazy text on the screen. It's all designed to be so overstimulating that you physically can't look away.
So, okay, that's the 5-step structure, but what about the ingredients? What are the actual trends that creators are plugging into this formula to make it pop right now?
And what's so fascinating is how specific these ingredients are. You've got these Italian brain rot phrases, that weird 6-7 hype energy thing, and then this whole toolbox of fast-paced meme editing. You know, the glitch effects, the sudden bass drops, all those familiar meme sounds. These are literally the building blocks of the chaos.
But, and this is so important, all of that insanity has to be built on something super simple and relatable. We're talking about really common situations, like school, the gym, having a crush. And the on-screen text, that's your guide. It leads you through the madness just enough so you can follow the punchline.
So all of this, it looks so effortless and spontaneous, doesn't it? It feels like someone just whipped out their phone and shot something completely random. Well, guess what? That effortless vibe is completely part of the plan.
And this comparison just lays it all out perfectly. The vibe they're going for is raw, unfiltered, absurd, even accidental. But the reality? It's strategic, it's optimized, it's formulaic, and it is 100% engineered to go viral. It's a total illusion.
You know, what makes this formula just so powerful is how accessible it is. You don't need a fancy camera or a professional studio. Nope. This whole thing is designed to be shot on a phone super easily. And that means anyone can copy the formula and try to ride the next viral wave.
Okay, so now we're getting to the goal, the grand finale of the formula. Because it's not just about getting you to watch the video once. Oh no. The real goal is engineering the perfect loop to make you watch it again and again.
So after all that chaos, the video finally lands with the relatable twist. This is your punchline. It's that one moment that ties all the absurdity back to a real, funny, human experience that we all get. And that's the moment that makes you laugh and want to share it.
And the whole thing happens in the blink of an eye. We're talking 20, maybe 30 seconds. That's it. It's this super short, super potent little burst of content that is just perfectly designed for our short attention spans, and, of course, for being replayed.
But here is the real masterstroke. The loop ending. The very end of the video is made to blend seamlessly with the very beginning. So before you even realize it's over, it's already playing again. This is a brilliant trick. It fools the algorithm into thinking you're watching it over and over, which sends its performance through the roof.
I mean, just listen to this. The goal is to hook viewers instantly, keep them watching till the end, and make them rewatch without realizing it. That just lays it all out, plain and simple. This whole thing is a masterclass in what you'd call attention engineering. It's not really about traditional storytelling, it's about pure, raw optimization to get that watch time up. So, here's a thought for you. The next time you're scrolling your feed and one of these videos pops up, you're going to see it differently. You'll spot the hook, you'll feel the confusion, you'll recognize the chaos and that clever little loop at the end. You'll know the formula. So the real question is, now that you know how the trick is done, will you ever see your social media feed the same way again?